Welcome to Boutir Tutorials.
In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to ship out your orders via Easyparcel.
For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start.
In your home page, tap on Orders. Tap on the order you would like to ship out. You will see that there is a warning message here. In order to overcome this, just follow these steps we're going to show you. Tap Place an order on Easyparcel. It will then redirect you to Easyparcel in your mobile browser. Tap on the three lines to ensure that you have logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the cart. A pop-up will then appear stating that there is an order unpaid. Tap on here to continue. Pop-up will then appear to confirm your actions. Tap Yes. Now, you will see the customer's order in your cart. Check out this order. For payment, you can either top up your account or go directly to the payment page.
That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.